Welcome to our channel. Today we how to manage home staging with staged homes, quick tutorial step by step clearly. Start by assessing the home to identify its strengths and weaknesses. Remove any personal items and clutter to create a neutral space. Clean each room thoroughly to ensure a fresh and inviting atmosphere. Choose a color palette that appeals to the target market. Select furniture that complements the home's layout and style. Arrange furniture to create open, inviting pathways. Incorporate decorative pieces like artwork and plants to add character. Ensure the lighting is adequate by using a mix of natural and artificial sources. Highlight key features of the home, such as fireplaces or built-in shelving. Use mirrors strategically to create the illusion of more space. Create a cohesive look across all rooms for a seamless flow. Pay attention to curb appeal, tidy the exterior and consider adding potted plants. Stage outdoor spaces as well, making them inviting for potential buyers. Use scent to enhance the home's appeal, consider light fresh scents like citrus or lavender. Finally, take high-quality photos of the staged home for marketing purposes. Review feedback from potential buyers and adjust staging as necessary. Remember, effective home staging can significantly impact the sale price and speed of sale. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.